How to create a kitchen gadgets store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that offers you an easy way to create your own store without even any programming or any programming languages, or without even paying a crazy amount of money. It's free for the first 3 days, then it's almost free for the next 3 months as well, because it's just $1 per month, as you can see. So it's arguably free. So this is the dashboard of the platform. As you can see, everything is very obvious. You have your home in here. You can check your orders in this button. Then you can check in here your products. You can add new products, as you can see, add product, or you can import them from the other website. And here you can check your customers. You can add a customer or import new ones. Here you can check your content. You can check your analytics in here to see your AOV, your total sales, sales by channel, the conversion rate, your online store sessions, AOV, average order value. You can see your total orders and all of those sort of things. And here you can check your marketing and your discounts. And the important one in here is the online store. It's where we're going to improve or customize our store. So here, by clicking on this button, you will be able to view your store in here. Click on view your store to see the theme that you're using. For now, this is the theme we are using. So before, it's not the theme that I found in the store. I found this theme in the store, but I changed it to this one. This one is better for me. I like this one more. It's easy to work on. And here you can choose another theme if you don't like those two that I showed you. By clicking on visit theme store, you will be able to see a lot of themes. There are paid ones and free ones. Unfortunately, you have just 12 free themes, so you can filter by the free themes. And here you will be able to choose the one that you like. I choose this one. You can choose the other themes if you'd like, for example, taste or craft studio. So let's go back to show you, after you choose your theme, how to work on that theme and how to customize your store. So here, click on customize. And here we will proceed to customizing our theme. So here, let's start from the top to the end. So here, let's start from this announcement bar. So here, by clicking, when you come to the platform, make sure to have this one turned on. It's the inspector. If it's turned off, you will see that you cannot click on anything in your theme. But if you've turned it on, anything you've clicked on it, you will be able to change it easily. So that's a great option that the platform added to here. So let's start by changing the announcement bar, and here you can change the color scheme of your announcement bar. We can make it this color, or we can make it this one. We can make it this other one, or this one, but the one that the second scheme is the one that fits here. And then if you choose auto rotate announcement, and I'm going to show you what this option is doing, and here you choose to change every 5 seconds. You will see by going back, and here click on what you're showing in in here, if you have welcome to our store, then let's add another announcement. For example, let's add 50% off today only. For example, if you added this one, then you went back. Now look what's going to happen. We have now welcome to our store, then it switches to 50% off today only. So this is what the option is doing. It makes it able to rotate every 5 seconds, and here you can control the range of motion. If you want it to change every 3 seconds or every 2 seconds, so you can control it in here. So let's go with every 3 seconds. And here you can enable the country region selector if you want to have it in your announcement bar or not. Let's remove it, we don't want it in here. And if you want to remove the section, you can click on remove the section here down below. So here we're done with the announcement bar. Then we proceed to the header. As I said in the beginning, you can just click on what you want to change and you will be able to change it. And here, in order to add your logo, go to the theme settings, click on logo, and then select image to be your logo in here. You can explore 3 images. So for example, let's see, we're going to choose this one, for example, to be our logo. Click on select, and here it's our logo now. As you can see, this is just an example, guys. Make sure to choose or to make your own logo. And here, if you want to choose a fav icon as well. And for those who don't know what is a fav icon, the fav icon is the one that is showing in here, like this icon of Shopify in here. That's the fav icon. It's that you will have it in there. So guys, as you can see, the platform is easy to work on. You can change everything about it. It's not very complicated. Just make sure when you're done with the changes, check the phone version and the full screen version, and then if you find everything right, then click on save to save your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.